Forum. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install an operating system on Raspberry Pi using Raspberry Pi OS Manager. Yes, a software officially released and supported from Raspberry Pi Foundation. So before we do that, let's understand what are the different versions of Raspberry Pi available. The operating system version, as you can see, version 9 all the way through 13, which is Trixie, and available in 2025. Right now, the latest one is version 12, Bookworm, which is released in June 2023, and it is still pretty much the latest software available. But before we go ahead and upgrade, let's understand why so much confusion. So Pi OS has three types of versions. First is desktop, which is the default, and it has the basic apps included for your environment. And it also give you the graphical desktop. That means it's just like a laptop or a PC. Then you have full desktop environment with all recommended app. So that is something which you would like to install if you have the fairly recent Raspberry Pi hardware. As you can see, you have the installed applications like desktop utilities, programming, entertainment, etc. are validated by Raspberry Pi Foundation and available directly. So it's like you install and ready to use. Finally, we have Lite. It's like a server, so there is no desktop environment. It's a terminal only, and typically it's used or recommended for legacy hardware, or if you know that you are going to run it headless, then probably this is the right choice for you. Also, when we install the software, you will see compared to full desktop versus Lite, there is a huge difference in the size of the operating system from gigi to meg. So we'll look at that. And also, one of the question you may ask, should I install 64-bit or 32-bit operating system? Again, if you are using latest or fairly new Raspberry Pi hardware model, go with 64-bit OS. If you are using something older generation, then 32-bit is your best choice. Let's go ahead and download Raspberry Pi Manager. This is my Raspberry Pi Manager version 185, and they have made some changes since the old software. Here now you can see we have three tabs: Raspberry Pi device, operating system, and then choose your storage. So now you don't have to make any guess. You can simply select the Pi model you have, or you are trying to format or prepare the boot disk. Raspberry Pi 3 in my case. Choose operating system. Now the operating system recommendation will be tuned with respect to your source device. We are going to choose Pi OS 64-bit, and this is Bookworm, that is version 12, and it's recommended 1.1 GB of download. Now choose your storage. So this is my SD card sitting in a SDXC reader jacket, 32 GB. Then you can go ahead and say next. Here it is asking you, would you like to apply OS customization settings? You can say no and go ahead. Let's look what we have, what are the options we have available here. You can see we have general, service, and options. Within general, you can set host name, you can set username and password. You can also configure wireless LAN and then time zone. Services, you can enable SSH, password authentication or passwordless authentication, and then there are some options like eject media when finished, enable telemetry. I want to play a sound when finished as well, so let's go ahead and do that. Services, SSH is very useful service, so let's see if we can go ahead and enable SSH. Use password authentication, but where we are going to define the password. Now you can see we have this username and password set. So for this one, we are going to say pi01. Let me say pi dash 01 and apply a password. So this is the password, username and password you are going to use for your SSH services as well. Save. We are good. We're going to say yes. All existing data will be erased. Yes, I want to continue. Now this is Apple setting, because this application is going to access the hard drive, the drive, and Mac OS want to make sure that you trust the application. In nice logs, like what is being done, preparing to write. So we have not started the download yet. First, we are making sure the drive is accessible and it is eligible to write. Now preparing to write, starting download. So this is our Raspberry Pi booting with the operating system that we just prepared using the Pi Manager OS. Here you can see it is connected to the wired connection, hence got an IP address of 1053.120.14. Our username is pi-01 and we have enabled SSH, hence we can log in using SSH. And to confirm, we are checking on the release. You can see this is Bookworm, Debian Bookworm version ID 12. That's our box and it is up for 15 minutes. Alright, this is all I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.